365 days a week, you cannot be fit and fine. There would be episodes when you are not in your perfect health. How to study when you are ill is a very important thing because you need to ensure that you are not being left behind. So, a good way is while you are not well, definitely you cannot take a book, study, you cannot be in front of your laptop or your PC for a long duration. But a good alternative that time can be to just sit, meditate, and revise whatsoever you have covered so far. Just think about it, and this would be the time when you would be revising your syllabus. You would be understanding that these are the things that I have covered so far. So, it's a good time to actually sit and think about what have been covered so far, memorize, revise your previous works, your previous assignments. Also note that it's a time when some of the students can actually think negative. Oh, I got sick, I wasted my 2 days, but that won't give you a positive result. What can give you a positive result is to remain positive, to remain working, to be consistent with your performance. So study well, good luck, and wish you all the best.